Welcome back to Confessions of a Hoe Diary. Lots of things going on at the plot. As you know, this is my first ever allotment, so learning as I'm going, and I'll bring you along with me. So we've got some free stuff today. Whoa, what do we have here? Picked up some glazing and I'm going to use it as a cold frame. I've also picked up some bricks and some sort of, they're not concrete, but there's some sort of like thermalite, and then like a nifty little storage box for some stuff to go in. And Graham's just given me some propagating trays as well for the community greenhouse. All weekend I've been thinking about something on the plot. It's been giving me a little bit of anxiety. Those strawberries that I pulled up out the plant, out of the pathway. I had a little look at them over the weekend and I thought, oh, maybe it's rained quite a lot this weekend, so I thought, oh, maybe they'll be okay. See what you think. Talk about crisp. But there were free straws and there were free compost, and there were some runners which don't exist anymore. Hindsight is a wonderful thing. Maybe I should have left them in situ, propagated off the runners, but as I say, you're going to get the good, the bad, the ugly here, and this is a mistake that I won't make again. Poor little straws. I mean, this one doesn't look too bad. I mean, oh, it does look a bit crispy. There's a ladybird on there. Little ladybird, you can see it. They look like strawberry plants behind in the ground. Oh, I'm gonna try and save these. Oof. Look at those bad boys. Oh, there's gonna be a raspberry hole tonight. These still look alive. Bit of damage to the cage, but that's fixable. Let's go and do something that I need to do. Okay, so I'm just in the community greenhouse at the moment. I'll give you a little show around, but I've got some stuff to pot up, so I'm just going to do that quickly. But it is hot. Temperature in here currently, it's quite windy and muggy outside, but the temperature in here is 35 degrees. So these little beauties are going to thrive, which is great. Let's get these potted up. I've got some longhorn chillies. I don't even know what type of chilli they are. So they could be normal chillies or spicy chillies. Who knows? But they're going to do great in here. They were just in a little planter that I had at home. My courtyard is very shady at the back, so it doesn't get much sun. So there you go. I've done one little longhorn. It's hot. Hot, 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 hot. So I've done all my planting now, and I can't wait to get out of this greenhouse, so I'm going to give it a little water. It'll be nice and warm as well. Get things kicking off. So before I actually do any watering, I'm going to tell you what these plants are. I've got a load of seeds donated to me. Tomato seeds called Outdoor Girl. However, I think you're supposed to plant them in March, so I'm trying to speed things up a little bit. So I've put some in there. There's some French beans. longhorn chili peppers, Lola Rosso, so it's one of those red lettuces that you get, 3 different types of beans, a supermarket chili pepper that I've propagated, and I did it ages ago, but I just don't get any sunlight at my house, so it's trying. So I just thought, right, I'm going to bring it here and give it a little bit of last hurrah. And then some tiny sunflower seeds that I just thought I'll give it a go, and I'll just bring them in. There we go. These lids back on, and then I'll off it. I think I need to do a little bit of maintenance on this brassica cage. That's better. Cheers everyone. I think this is fast becoming my favourite spot, just sat outside the greenhouse. Slate for you ASMR people. Ooh, that's a big gust of wind. Bought a couple of plants from home, and I got gifted a mini rose. She's just plagued with whitefly, so I found a little ladybird and I've put it on there, and I'm hoping I'll kill it off. He seems very happy on there. Can you see him? Little ladybird. He's getting stuck in there. Good man. Somebody said to do diluted washing up liquid and spray the leaves, so I might try that as well. Wild rose from Ireland. I'm half Irish, and my uncle John has got some lovely roses outside his cottage. Thought that'll do great on the allotment, so I brought that. There's just so much to do, and there's a saying, is it more haste, less speed? That's definitely the case. So like I was saying, I love sitting here. Just love sitting here having a little brew and talking to you about my allotment. Oh, those strawberries, bless them. I've moved them under the tree, so they're going to get some shade towards the afternoon and the evening. The root systems can establish a little bit better, but it's not looking good, guys. It's not looking good. But I did spot some little straws coming up underneath, just behind. That might actually be a cool little strawberry patch under the tree, actually. To research that and just see if that's something that people do. So the plot's 120 square metres, which is, I think it's a quarter plot according to the council, which is just quite manageable actually, I think. I'm just really enjoying just coming and chilling here. Just knowing that this summer I can just come here and do little odd jobs, and like, they say everything happens for a reason, don't they? Oh, it's a bit chilly now. Oh, it's a bit chilly. Yes, I've got my little flask of coffee. I'm just going to sit here and enjoy it. And if anything comes to mind I need to talk to you about, I'll bring you back. So I've just taken all these weeds that were growing up like just crap. Moved my plants, moved the marigolds into the cold frame. This trellis. There's a few like of these that were unsecure with sharp nails sticking out, so I've removed some of them. So things like that nail sticking out was literally like at the entrance to the shed, and I thought that's just an accident waiting to happen. And then the ones that kind of looked a little bit like stakes, I've used my mallet and I've just pinned them in so that when I'm using a watering hose they don't knock everything off. The next job, I'm going to try and salvage this. As you can see, it's absolutely foo bad. So I am going to use good old some of this. Mend and make do. It's useful. Hang my dirty gloves on it. So I kind of give them a little bit of a wash and then I hang them up there to dry. I can see that being quite useful. So I'm just going to try and see if I can do something with it. I'll bring you back when I've done it. I'm wondering if any other allotmenteers can empathise with this. Needing my trowel to get rid of it. Anyway, so I'm in the shed and I'm like, oh, just go and get that. Could I find it? No. Must have left it outside. The little suckers are under here. Note to self, bring my tools in. Right, what was I doing? Oh yeah, found my tools. Oh my god, this is a tough little sucker. Eee, all the ants. Right, I'm going to move the slab. That one's not worked. Oh, there's a load of red ants here. So what's this? Oh, it's a membrane, that's why. Right, oh, it's come through the membrane. Right, I'm just going to twist it. Oh, spray it with something. Right, let's shove this down it. Shove it in this way. See where this root's coming from. Oh, that was mad. Look at that root. Oh, pesky sucker. That's coming out. See you later. Let's see if I can tease it out a bit more now that that pesky oh, we had a bit of movement then. Oh, looking like it goes under the shed. Oh, the shed comes tumbling down. Right, let's get that in there again. Oh, that was a nice sound. Did you hear it? Like a big oh my god, the satisfaction. The satisfaction. Right, get the slab down on it quick. I've just had another strawberry episode where I went to weed that bed and then I just got distracted and did something else. It's very easy to spend time here, you know. So just done a few jobs then. I've just organised the shed somewhat and got the brush and dusted all the cobwebs away and then dusted out the floor. And there was just so much dirt, but I'm just gonna have to get used to it as a shed. Storage boxes in there now, so I know that I can just go to that and then just throw my stuff in or collect my stuff. Just found a home for things and needs a proper organised, but for now it's just sort of compartmentalised, if that makes sense. So I also fixed there was two sort of brackets, so I've put one in the shed and then one out here, which will be quite useful. So everything's sort of coming together. Oh, and then I got rid of, oh my god, the weed. I was like, oh, it was like something off Stranger Things, you know, like that, like when it comes out at you, like that. It was just, oh, it was horrible. But when the taproot came out and then the other bits of weeds came out, it was like, way, like proper sense of achievement. So I'm just finishing off my flask of coffee and I bought myself a picnic. I'm going to do a little tour of the shed in a minute and show you what I've done. It's the 23rd of June. Now I've just started my seeds, oh my god. Considering I started actually doing work on a complete new plot over the past 10 days, it's 23rd today, I've done really well. So I'm proper chuffed. So yeah, So if I can do it, you can do it. And some days I've just had like lazy days, but then other days I've come and I've done so much. I'm learning to take lots of breaks. There's loads of heavy lifting with those bricks yesterday and then today, so I'm going to feel that tomorrow. Just going to enjoy my brew. So I've just spotted these insects on the plum tree. And there's loads of them, so I don't really know. And they seem to be like attached to the plums, which, what do you suggest? So it's home time. Not done much videoing just because I just wanted to crack on, and a couple of times I was like, oh, I'll just go home now. And then sort of like I could see like my tomato plants just going, eee! I've planted them and I've sort of started on another bed as well. The tomatoes really needed to go in. So there they are, little beauties. I've just put the suckers back in the ground just because I thought, oh, let's see if I can get some extra tomato plants. But some French marigolds with Gardener's Delight, First in Field and Sun Gold, Totem, and these two at Alicante. My next visit is literally this, and just get the seeds off that and cover it. But yeah, it's been great, and I've also success in the raspberry haul. Check out these bad boys, and wait for it. Still not fully organised, but oh my god, it's like I kind of know where things are going to go now. So really chuffed. Fixed the shelving unit. So bye bye. I've enjoyed it.